Today, I'm going to show you how to analyze the user flow of visitors on your website using the user flow report. So to get this report, you would need to go to audiences, come down to user flow. Okay, so once you get this, you have different columns here. So the first column is the metric column. Then we have after that is the starting pages, and then we have the different interactions: first interaction, second interaction, third interaction. So based on the metrics, you have a lot of choices here to choose from. You have country, you have landing page, you have devices, you have sources. There are a lot of things that you can check out. So let's go first with country. So say for example, the first one is United States. So if you want to see the use of only for United States, what you can do is you can just click on this, then click on highlight traffic to here, click on it. So it will highlight only the users from United States. So if we see majority of them, around 97,000 of them are going to the home page. And then after that, they have a lot of other interactions which they go to. Now, in this case, where we have the starting page as home page, if you want to see uh, from which country they came to the home page, what you can do is click on this, highlight traffic to here. So now this will show you from which all countries they have came. So again, majority of them has come from United States. So we see a huge dropout rate of around 136,000. So like this, you can analyze and see which pages have got a very high dropout rate. Okay, so then we go back again to the metric. You can choose maybe we'll choose device, say. um, okay, so we have in this case we have mobiles and we have not set. So it does not give you things, it only gives you mobile and not set. So you can see the interaction based on the device, which is mobile. So you can see how they interact, what is the huge dropout rate what they have. We'll say uh, clear this and explode traffic to here, highlight traffic to here. So yeah, so it will show you from here from home page and all. Even if you want to see for mobile only, you click on mobile, so they show you where they have gone from mobile. Majority of them have come to the home page. If you can see here, majority of them have come to the home page. Okay, similarly, we have other things that you can choose from. You can choose landing page. So this could be based on your campaigns, what is the top landing page and how the landing page performs. So in this case, we see landing page is the home page, and majority of them, around 32% uh, of total traffic comes to the home page, and we get 136% dropout. So we see a lot of other stats here. So after they land on the landing page, which other pages they go to? So you can check and see. We see a sign up page here. So maybe we check and highlight traffic and see from which other pages they have come to sign up the most. So when they land on the home page, the most of the traffic comes to sign up from the home page. Okay. So yeah, this would be probably because they want to log into the account or something like that. Okay, so then after landing page, maybe we can check other things like source medium. Let's go to source medium. Now we can check maybe the campaigns which are currently being run. Yeah, so we see CPC campaigns, we see affiliate partners campaigns. So we'll just click on CPC, then highlight traffic. So it allows us to see which all are the different pages that have users have landed on once they reach from CPC. So similarly, like this, there are a lot of stats that can be checked. Now, for example, say we want to filter this, so we can go to this small gear icon on the top here. This allows us to add filter. So one good way would be maybe, for example, if we go to landing page, then we want to maybe filter for a particular landing page, which is not mentioned here. Then we can go here, click on it, click on add a new item. So then you can put whatever you want contains and add the landing pages. So this will show you only that particular landing page. Okay, so similarly, maybe things, there are a lot of other options here. You can even add segments. It will not show you the segments together, but you can flip between the different segments. So let's check this out. We'll add another segment here. In this case, all users. So I will click on direct traffic. So now two segments I have added. all users and direct traffic. So let's see how it shows. So in other reports, when you set up segments, you can see them side by side, how they are performing. In this case, they do not allow you to see. So now this is only for all users. So if I want to see direct traffic, I have to click on direct traffic, and then it will load only for direct traffic. So like this, you can compare going back and forth and see which is the stats from good landing pages, what is the dropout rate from direct, what is the dropout rate from all users, and compare which one is performing well. Then we have a lot of other things for this. Maybe we have a small zoom in feature here. So if you want to check the interactions here, which has a good interaction, which is the next page you're going to, you can just zoom in and see which is going to. So then after, if you want to highlight, you click on it. So it will highlight that traffic, and you can see from where they are going the next thing. So like this, Google user flow, Google Analytics user flow has a lot of options which can be done. So you can check this out based on different metrics also. So if you have any questions regarding this user flow, please let me know. Thank you.